Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Metal Company website. In this video, we'll guide you through logging in, creating a quote, and how to order a quote. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in or sign up. To begin, click Login or Sign Up in the header bar. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a cash account or apply for a trade account. Once logged in, your name will appear in the top right corner of the page. Step 2. Creating a quote. There's two ways to start a new quote. We will look at both options. Option 1. Navigate to any product page, select the product you need, choose the quantity and click Add to Quote. You can create and name a new quote from here or add to an existing quote from the list. Option 2. Navigate to the My Quotes page and select New Quote to create and name a quote. This will take you to the Product Categories page, where you can browse and add products to your quote. Here's how. Select the product you need, choose the quantity, click Add to Quote. The name of the quote you are adding to will be shown here in the Add to Quote button. Now, a few quick tips on how we've made things easier for you. If you have a quote already open and in edit mode, you will notice the quote name shown in the Add to Quote button on any product page, and it will also be shown up here on the Quote button. If your desired quote is already in edit mode, you can directly add more products to this quote quickly and easily. If you want to add to a different quote or create a new one, simply click on My Quotes. Select the quote you need and click View Edit, or start a new one by clicking New Quote. If you don't see a quote name in the Add to Quote button or up here on the Quote button, you can select the product you need, click Add to Quote, and it will give you the option to either create a new quote or select from your list of previous quotes. Please note, any quotes that have expired or have already been converted to an order will not show on this list. However, you can still view all your quotes regardless of status on the My Quotes page. You can add products from multiple categories and the number of items in your quote will update as you go. To view what is currently in your quote, click the quote list icon in the header. Step 3. Reviewing and saving your quote. On the quote page, add or remove products. Add your own personal notes of any reference or job notes for future use. Once your quote is complete, click Save. After processing, you can choose to close the quote, start a new quote, or order this quote if you're ready to proceed. If you close the quote, you'll be redirected to the quote list page, where all your quotes are shown. Step 4. Managing your quotes. In My Quote List, you can filter quotes by number, name, user, or date. Preview quotes by clicking the down arrow. Click through the quote to make changes or place the order. The list displays a unique quote number, which is generated after saving, your quote name title, the status, open, order placed, processed, or expired, the date you created the quote and when it expires, who the quote belongs to, and the total value of the quote. Note, quotes are valid for 14 days. If a quote expires, a notification will appear at the top of the page. You can extend it for another 14 days by selecting Update Quote. Some quotes may be locked and only editable by our team if they contain buy-in items or a special negotiated price. You will need to contact us if any changes are required. Step 5. Placing an order. When you're ready to order, click Order this quote on the quote page to transfer the items to your cart. Don't worry if you already have items in your cart, these will remain there. Enter a purchase order number, select your contact and add delivery notes if needed. You will notice all the items from your quote are locked in the order cart. If you wish to update or delete any items that have come from your quote, this must be done on the quote page. However, you can add the other items that are not from your quote and make changes as required to these. Now you're ready to place your order with us. If you need further assistance, check out our other video, How to Place an Order, or contact our team via phone, email, or online chat because we make buying stainless steel easy.